What's up, everybody? Andrew here with another video. This one, we're gonna walk through one of the apartments that we have here. We have 4 for sale in La Riviera. And for this one, Franco's helping me. How you doing, Franco?
I'm doing great. I can't wait to do this video.
What's this neighborhood called?
This neighborhood is Ciudad Del Rio.
You're gonna wanna stay until the end of the video because we're gonna do a walkthrough of the neighborhood so that you know why this is such a great neighborhood to either live in or invest in. You ready, Frank?
Let's go do it.
Let's do it. I'll follow you.
All right. This cat walked out, by the way.
Oh, watch out for the cat. We'll get him inside. Okay, he's back inside. All right, go.
All right, let's go check out the apartment.
Don't stop. Your foot is as big as the cat. Well, first of all, here's a bathroom.
There's the bathroom.
The social bathroom.
That is the social bathroom.
This is a 2.5 bath or 1.5?
It's a 1.5 bath.
Okay.
You'll see the cats. The cats are not included in the apartment. And yeah, you immediately come into the living room and you have the kitchen on your left over here.
Yep, left.
So this apartment is 53 square meters, which is around 570 square feet. We'll come out to the balcony.
Look at this view, guys.
Yeah, the
Holy
view
cow.
is crazy.
Oh, and the balcony's kind of
Extended
clandestine.
balcony.
Yeah, it's pretty big.
Yeah, it's very big.
But you got the cat
nice
mesh
view.
here, which obviously you could take down.
Yeah.
And you have a view which is unobstructed, and it'll probably remain unobstructed because all these down here are little shops down there.
That's right. Yep. We're on the 22nd floor.
There's a building over
by
here,
the way.
but this view here, 22nd floor view, is unobstructed, which is great.
Yeah.
Okay.
So let's come
We're gonna
back
go check
over
out the amenities and stuff after this here.
Yes.
Well, the outside, because this place has way too many amenities.
It
to
does.
actually
It's
video
crazy. Its own little city.
Yeah.
And here's the master
bedroom.
Master bedroom. Everything was custom made. Everything that you see in the video in the apartment is custom made, remodeled. And here's the other access point to the balcony, which we saw.
Looks
and
great.
Then over there you have the master and the walk-in.
Okay, so walk-in closet.
Yeah, it's a really big closet, by the way.
Yep. And the master bath.
The master bathroom.
Oh, that's great. Yeah, so we actually have 4 apartments up in this building itself, but
That's right.
This one was completely remodeled.
Completely remodeled.
Nothing here was basically
The owner
based.
put in a bar over here, which not all of the other apartments have.
Yeah.
It's pretty much just an empty space here with shelves.
Very
so he
cool.
decided to get creative and put himself a nice bar. So I think this is like bonus points for this apartment.
And even though it's not a giant apartment, it still feels very spacious as we're walking through here.
Yeah, and we're 2 big guys.
Yeah. I like it.
And you got the full stack there, washer and dryer.
Double stack, alrighty. All right, Franco, what is the asking price on this one?
It is 590 million Colombian pesos, which comes out to be about 144,000 US dollars.
Okay.
The administration HOA fees are 300 million pesos, which is just less than $100.
Which is crazy with the amount of amenities this place has.
That's
It
right,
has
yeah.
everything. All right, let's go do the neighborhood walkthrough, and we're going to show you why this is such a great place to either live in or invest in. Let's go.
Let's do it.
The number one reason for me is the walkability. It's all flat, which means that a lot of people come down here just to go to the restaurants, walk around. It's not only residents that you see around here, but you see foreigners, you see tourists, you see locals. I mean, you see a lot of locals, a lot of college students. Right here, over here, if we pan this way, this is the Museum of Modern Art over here. So they've got a lot of plays, they've got a lot of art exhibitions, they've got movie premieres. Carol G had her series premiere here. So it's a very trendy area. One of the things that I love the most though, because I am a coffee lover, is that they have a Starbucks and a Pergamino here. And they also got this little guy over here. Let's go check him out. So they've got this little cold brew stand here, which I'm very excited about. Quiero probar el cold brew, por favor. Sí. How cool is this place? I mean, this is a little coffee shop in your own neighborhood across the street from where you live. El grande está bien, sí. All right, let's give this a taste. Muchas gracias. Cheers, guys. Oh man, this is really good. It's tasty. ¿Cómo son? 8 million pesos, which is about $2. All right, let's pay this up. Tienes cambio. All right. The next reason why I love Ciudad del Rio is the accessibility to it. Because it's kind of like in the middle of the city, there's the big road, which is Avenida Las Vegas, that goes through it. So getting to it and getting out is really easy. It's also walking distance from Parque del Poblado, Parque Lleras, and Provenza if you really wanted to, or just a short Uber ride away. And as we pan over here, you can see some of these are older buildings. This is the museum over here. We're gonna do a 360, and going into the next reason why this is such a great buy is look at all this construction. There's one right here. There's more coming up over there. And if we go over here, this is the building where we have our 4 apartments, La Riviera, where we did the walkthrough. And then over there, there's another construction on this side. So what does that tell you about this neighborhood is that it's an up and coming neighborhood. A lot of people talk about Provenza, but Ciudad Del Rio is a sleeper. These are only going to appreciate even more, and on top of that, they're easy to rent. If you're interested in buying this one, make sure to click on the link in the description below, fill out our form, and we'll come check this place out. Do a little neighborhood tour too. See you guys in the next one.